Updating your payout destination on Netflix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout destination. Click on the option to update your payment method. Enter the new payout destination details such as bank account information or payment service details as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Netflix. Regularly check your payment information to avoid any disruptions in service.